Yeah. Look at it. It's like all frayed. Did that snap or did someone cut it? From where? It's more open this way.
It's like the abandoned tree.
Well, look. It looks like it's blocked off. Oh, what the? Holy, no.
Huh?
It's another one that we'll have to cut. Look, well, maybe we can try. Look it hit the ground so hard it put a crater in the ground. Heavy or no? Ouch.
Alright, I guess it's fine. Here, use that little one there. So like stick them.
Now stick it further. This is how we did it on the other one. Oh crap. Ouch. Ow. The leaf like hit my eyeball. Oh.
Maybe we can just wiggle it out and then use it.
Frick. Good?
You guys drive. You're like going past. Pretty
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah.
Strap down your bike.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, didn't work too well.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Put them on. It fell right on that one. Don't actually fall. Oh. The beast tree. Imagine that one fell one day. There's the humongous one. Looks like a branch snapped at the top. You can see wood at least from this side. You're gonna walk up it?